Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a tuna fish sandwich. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 can of tuna, some mayonnaise, and your favorite bread. For extra flavor and crunch, consider adding chopped celery, onion, or pickles. Make sure you have a mixing bowl and a fork handy to get started. This quick meal is perfect for a satisfying lunch or light dinner. Now, let's prepare the tuna. Begin by draining the tuna very well to remove all excess water or oil. Transfer the drained tuna into your mixing bowl and use a fork to flake it apart. Next, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. If you're using optional ingredients like chopped celery or relish, now is the time to mix them in thoroughly until everything is well combined. With your tuna mixture ready, it's time to build your sandwich. Take 1 slice of your chosen bread and spread the tuna mixture evenly from edge to edge. Place the second slice of bread firmly on top to complete your sandwich. For easier eating, you can cut the sandwich in half, either diagonally or straight across. Adding a fresh leaf of lettuce or a slice of tomato can elevate the taste. Your delicious tuna fish sandwich is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately for the best taste and texture. It pairs wonderfully with a side of potato chips, a crisp green salad, or a warm cup of soup. Remember to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. If you have any leftover tuna mix, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.